This is part 2 of Tad's Cat. Make sure you've watched the part 1 video before this. Let's review the sight words from the last video by doing Beat the Teacher. I will point, you'll say the sight word, and then you'll check and see if you said it correctly. Say the word. His. Say the word. Was. Say the word. Took. Say the word. With. Say the word. Liked. Say the word. Play. Say the word. This. And say the word. To. Were you able to remember the sight words from yesterday? Great work. Now we're going to review our CBC decodable words. These are words that we can sound out because they use the short vowel sound and have 3 letters. All right. We're practicing for fluency, which is our accuracy and our speed, so we're going to go a little bit quickly. Ready? Say the sounds and then blend with me. Ready? Begin. T, g, tug. S, b, sub. S, p, sip. P, odd, pod. L, op, lop. All right, let's keep going. Ready? Begin. K, on, con. T, app, tap. B, it, bit. B, egg, bag. P, an, pan. B, et, bet. M, at, mat. S, odd, sod. F, add, fad. B, ib, bib. How did you do with these B's and D's? Remember to use your strategy when you see those. Now that we've reviewed some of our decodable words, our CVC words, and our sight words, we're going to read the story together. Read aloud with me as I point. Ready? Let's read. Tad's cat. All right, read the words out loud with me. Here we go. Tad had a cat. His cat was fat. Great job saying the words out loud. Keep it up. The cat was tan. Tad's cat was tan and fat. Tad liked to play with his cat. The cat ran and ran. The cat will bat at this. He will hit it up, up, up. Tad sat with his cat. The cat sat in Tad's lap. Last page, finish strong. Read out loud with me. The cat took a nap in Tad's lap. Awesome work on your choral reading. Now we're going to do our duet reading. I'll say the words in white, and you'll say the words in yellow. So on this page, I would say Tad's, and you would say cat. Ready? Let's read. Tad's. Keep saying all of the words in yellow as we read the book. Tad. A. His. Was. The. Was. Tad's. Was. And. Keep saying all those yellow words out loud. Tad. To. With. Cat. cat and the will at he hit up Tad with cat. Cat in lap. The took nap. Tad's. How did you do at your duet reading? Were you able to read all of the words in yellow? All right, let's check on our comprehension. Comprehension is understanding what you read. Do you remember some of these things in the story? Let's read the question and try it out. Read along with me. What did Tad have? Say your answer out loud. You look in the book. Page 1 tells us Tad had a cat. So if you answered cat, you were correct. Let's try the second question. Ready? Read with me. What color was the cat? Say your answer out loud. If we go in the book, in the text, we can see on page 2 our answer. Read with me. The cat was tan. Let's check out the third question. Let's read it together. Ready? Begin. What did the cat do on Tad's lap? Say your answer out loud. In the story, I think there's 2 possible answers. On page 5, we see one of the answers. Ready? Read with me. The cat sat in Tad's lap. So you could have said sat is what the cat did. And on page 6, we see a different answer. The cat took a nap in Tad's lap. So took a nap or sat are both correct. Great work. Now you're going to find your paper that looks like this and get your pencil. You can see we have 3 lines where we are going to write our 3 CVC words from the story. Take your pencil and on the first line, write the word bat. The word is bat. Write the word bat on the first line. This was a word we practiced in video 1. Let's check and see how you wrote the word bat. Check yours with mine. B-A-T spells bat. Did you make your B with the line first and then the circle after? Check and make sure you made a B and not a D. Bat. The second word you're going to write on the second line here. That word is the word had. Had. Say the sounds. D. I hear 3 sounds. Write what matches those 3 sounds. D. On this line here. Had. Had. Let's check how you wrote the word had. The word had is spelled like this. H-A-D. The D has the circle first and then a line. H-A-D. Had. Check and see if you wrote had this way. If not, correct it now. So we have bat and had. On your third line here, you're going to write the word lap. The cat sat on Tad's lap. Say the sounds in lap with me. L, A, P. I hear 3 sounds. Write the letters that match those three sounds here. Lap, lap, lap. Check yours with mine. The word lap looks like this. L, A, P, L, A, P. Check that your P goes down under the main line here. Lap. If yours doesn't look like mine, make it look like mine now. Here are the three words we had: bat, had, and lap. Now we're going to move on to the super challenge. I'm going to read a sentence to you, and you're going to write that sentence on your paper. So let's go down our paper to where you see 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. 4 lines for each of our 4 words in our sentence. You might see the 4 circles on the top as well. We'll check those off once we've written each word correctly. Our sentence that has 4 words is Tad took his bat. Say it with me. Tad took his bat. We're going to write the first 2 words first. The first word is Tad. Write that on this line here. Tad. The second word is took. You'll write that on the second line here. Took. So our first line will say Tad, and our second line will say took. Tad, took. Say it with me. Tad, took. Write those 2 words now. Tad, took. If you don't know how to spell a word, do your very best in sounding it out and matching the sounds to the letters. Tad, took. So our first 2 words are Tad, took. Our last 2 words are his bat. So our sentence is Tad took his bat. We're going to write the last 2 words now. Write his on the third line and bat on the last line. His bat. Say it with me. His bat. Write them now. His bat. Again, sound out the words. Say the sounds out loud as you write the letters. And just do your best. If you don't know a word, write the letter that you think matches the sound you hear. His bat. So our whole sentence would be Tad took his bat. Check to see if you have all 4 words written. Check to see if you have a capital letter and a period. And let's see if your sentence matches mine. Do not draw any of the things in red, the hearts or the lines. Those are just there to help us remember they're heart words. All right, we have the sentence, Tad took his bat. Let's look at each word. All right, we're going to start with the word Tad. Tad is a T-A-D. Notice my T is capitalized. Check yours. If yours looks like mine, put a check mark here. If not, go ahead and fix it. Check that your D has the circle first and then the line. And check that your T is capitalized. Tad. The next word is took. This is a heart word because the 2 O's make the sound. Don't draw the heart, but just make sure you have the 2 O's. Took. T-ook. T-O-O-K. Make yours look like mine and then put a check mark at the top. Tad took. Our next word is his. Again, don't draw the heart, but remember that the S is making the Z sound in his. So H-I-S spells his. Check mark when you have it. And our last word is bat. This is a CVC word. B-A-T. Check mark if you got it. Great work.